Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Moto G57 Power smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can quickly turn on your flashlight with the help of a simple gesture. Simply shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will shake it again, then it will turn it off. If you will try to take a screenshot by using your three fingers like this, then you won't be able to do that, but there's a separate gesture for this. Again, use your three fingers and then tap and hold on the display like this, then you can click a screenshot. When your phone is locked, anyone can access your control center and change any of these settings. But if you want to disable this, then open your settings, select home and lock screen, select control center, and then disable allow control center access from lock screen. Now whenever your phone is locked, no one can access your control center and change any of those settings. If you read ebooks and articles a lot, then the next feature is specially for you. Open your settings, select display, scroll down, and then select screen timeout. From here you can enable this attentive display feature, so it will prevent your screen from turning off if you are looking at it, so you don't have to keep on tapping on the display to keep your display on. This phone doesn't come with always on display feature, but there's a feature called screensaver that works just like always on display. To enable this, open your settings, select display, scroll down, and then select screensaver. From here you can select clock, or you can select any of your photos from your gallery. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will move your phone a little bit, or even you will tap your phone, then it will enable that screensaver on your locked screen. You can change the control center of the smartphone. To do that, open your settings, select home and lock screen, and then select control center. By default it is selected classic style, but if you want to select modern style, then simply select this one. Now it will enable the new control center. Now if you will swipe from the left side, then it will open your notifications. If you will swipe from the right side, then it will open your control center. If you want to change the sides, then click on settings and then select the next one. You can quickly launch your camera application while using your smartphone with the help of a simple gesture. Simply rotate your wrist like this, then it will open your camera application. You can also change from back camera to rear camera. Simply again rotate your wrist again, then it will change the camera. So you can use this gesture to quickly launch your camera application while using a smartphone. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app for that, but enable the next feature. Open your settings, select notifications, select notification history, and then enable use notification history. Now it will save all the notification from all the applications, so you can read any messages even after someone will delete it. Now if you want to change the fonts of your smartphone, then simply select font. Here you have different options. Select your favorite one, that will change the font of your smartphone. You can also change the UI color of your smartphone. To do that, select colors. Here you have different solid colors. Simply select your favorite color, that will change the UI color of your smartphone. You can also change the icon shape. Here you have different options. Select your favorite one and then click on save. That will change the shape of your icons. You can customize almost everything in the smartphone, from your locked screen to your font to colors, etc. To do that, open your settings, select personalize. Now if you want to change your lock screen, then select lock screen. From here you can select different clock styles. You can change the notification style, and you can also change these quick access application from your locked screen. In the same personalized settings, you will see an option called display size and text. Select this one. From here you can increase or decrease the size of your fonts, and you can also enable this bold text. So if you're giving this phone to any elderly person, then you can definitely use these features. If you're a great music listener, then the next two features are specially for you. Open your settings, select sound and vibration, scroll down, and then select Dolby Atmos. From here select this setting icon, and from here you can change different preset as per your liking or as per your usage. If you're watching film, then you can select film. If you're playing any game, then you can select game. You can also customize your preset as per your liking. You can select bass, boost, brilliant, treble, etc. and you can also manually change these. So if you listen to music a lot, then you can definitely use these presets as per your liking. In the same sound and vibration settings, you will see an option called media control. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can play the next song and previous song by long pressing your volume up button and volume down button. You can also lock any of the apps in the smartphone and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Open your settings, select apps and then select app lock. Click on explore. Firstly, select the method, pattern, pin or password. Simply enable the app. And now whenever you will open that application, then it will ask for that password. So that's how you can lock any application in this smartphone. You can also use the dual app feature in the smartphone. Here in the app settings, you will see an option called cloned apps. Click on this. This supports very few apps like WhatsApp and few others. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini. But if you want to set it as your power menu, then open your settings, select gestures, select power button and then select press and hold. From here select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. You can also customize this double press power button feature. Now if I will double press my power button, then it will quickly launch my camera application. You can disable it from here. Again open power button, double press and no action. Now if you will double press your power button, then it will do nothing but just lock your smartphone. There's a feature called quick launch. This is one of the best feature in this smartphone. You have to tap on the back of your phone like this, then it will launch any application or any tools. To customize this, open your settings, select gestures, select quick launch and then select settings. From here you can select any of these tools, recorder, take a screenshot, back to home, etc. Or you can select any of your favorite or most usable application. For example, I'm selecting YouTube. Now while using my smartphone, whenever I will double tap on the back of my phone, it will quickly launch YouTube application. So this is very usable and handy feature. You can customize this and use it. If you want to change the order of these three navigation buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, open gestures and then select system navigation. Click on settings. From here you can change the order of these three buttons. But if you want to set gesture navigation, then simply select gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, open your recent apps like this and jump to your home screen like this. If you use your phone at night a lot, then the next two features are specially for you to protect your eyes. Open your settings, select display. The first one is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white color into black color. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of split screen feature. Open the first application, put it in recent apps and then open the second application. Now put it in recent apps and then click on the apps icon, select split screen and then select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of this split screen feature. And the second one is night light. Click on this, then it will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. You can adjust the intensity from here as well, and you can also schedule this night light. If you like to multitask, then you can use this smart sidebar feature. Open your settings, select gestures, select sidebar and then enable this. Then you will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. To open this, simply swipe to the left. By default it has some applications. If you want to customize this, then click on settings. You can disable or remove unnecessary application from here and you can add your favorite or most usable application. Now whenever you will open any application from this sidebar, it will open it in floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. You can resize it from the corners, drag and drop it anywhere. So you can use this smart sidebar to multitask in your smartphone. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Moto G67 Power smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.